The letter. The letter. Some things are better left unsaid.
Bakit kaya niya ako iniwan?
Some emotions kept.
I'm sorry, hindi ko nasabi sa'yo how much I loved you before. Sobrang mahal kita, and I even let you go.
Mga mabibigat na saloobin na hindi madaling sambitin.
I hate you. You ruined my life. You ruined my life.
Pagmamahal, pasasalamat, pag-alala, o simpleng lihim na pagtingin.
Alam naman natin pareho na hindi pagiging pagkaibigan yung kinikilos natin. Pero yung pinapadama mo sa akin, yung kinikilos mo towards me, it's more than that. I can honestly say na I love this person.
Don't keep it to yourself any longer. You have a friend in Papa Jack. The letter. The letter. Sulat na.
Shadows burning in the dark, and I'm in love, and I'm terrified for the first time and the last time in my own.
Magawa ng sulat ba sa mga tao naging bahagi ng ating buhay ang bisyang paraan para gumaan ang ating nararamdaman? Writing that letter is an admission of exactly what you have and what you feel deep inside. So please, if you're writing a letter for someone, be true to that letter. Gawin mong makatotohanan. Huwag kang papanggap. Maibigay mo man sa taong yan. Ang sulat na yan, it will do the job, gagaan ang pakiramdam mo. Tonight, our first letter is a letter from Sophie para kay Keith. Si Sophie po ay 18, si Keith ay 16. And they're both from Makati City. Ang kabuuan ng letter ni Sophie para kay Keith, mga kaibigan, pakinggan po natin.
TLC.
True Love Conversations.
The letter. The letter. TLC. The letter. The letter. The letter.
Sabi ng letter ni Sophie para kay Keith. Dear Keith.
The letter.
Well, matagal na rin tayong break so balik-balik ka kasi. Masakit kasi alam ko na mahal pa kita and it hurts because you just keep on taking me for granted. Alam mo na naghihintay ako sa iyo. Siguro naman napakita ko na sa iyo na mahal kita, di ba? Pero wala talaga eh. Maybe hindi lang talaga pwede. Ng mga tao siguro na meant na mag-stay na lang as a memory. And maybe that's you. Gusto ko lang pasalamatan ka sa lahat ng ginawa para sa akin. Salamat kasi accepted me for who I am without asking me to change. I miss you, Keith. Ikaw lang kasi nag-iisang lalaking pinakita na mahal talaga ako. That I deserve the best. Masakit man, ili-let go kita. Gagawin ko yon dahil mahal kita. Wala nang point mag-stay eh. Alam ko na pag mag-stay pa ako sa buhay mo, parehas lang tayong mahihirapan. Sana maging masaya ka. I hope she knows how special you are and that you deserve the best. Masakit man sa loob kung napakawalan ka, ikaw na taong mahal ko. Kailangan ko nang i-let go kung anong meron tayo. Now, Keith, for the last time, I'd like to say I love you. Hindi ko makakalimutan ang mga tinuro mo sa akin. Hindi man ikaw ang first ko, ikaw naman ang true love ko. Akala ko talaga ikaw na yung last. Pero malay mo, di ba? But for now, goodbye muna, babe. Mag-ingat ka at huwag na huwag kang magbabago. Coming from Sophie.
I can feel you calling. There's no place that I'd rather be. Just here with you, sleeping, if only in my mind. Until then I'll sleep.
Sabi ng ating letter sender, mga kaibigan, akala ko ikaw na yung last. Pusang gala, 16 ka pa lang, siya na yung last. Wow, ah. But let's not underestimate, mga kaibigan, yung pagmamahal ng isang teenager. Kasi nung teenager tayo, which is like last year lang, teenager ako eh. Isa sa pinakamahalagang bagay yung love life natin. Ano? We think it's the end of the world pag hindi natin nakita o nakasalumuha o nakabanding yung tao mahal natin. That if you lose that person, it's like losing a limb, diba? Or an arm. A part of you. And then later on, you will realize that every time that you're gonna let go of someone you really love, it's like being hurt for the first time. That is really it, mga kaibigan. So for Sophie, you're 16. Siguro marami kang mapagdadaanan na sakit. But every time that somebody's going to break your heart, it will always feel and hurt like the first time. But never forget to embrace the lessons of all the pains and sacrifices you do for someone you really love. Sa lahat po ng mga taong marunong po sa kung paano mag-let go, magpakawala ng tao, mahal na mahal natin. Umintindi na hindi lahat ng nakasalamuhan natin ay mananatili maging bahagi ng ating buhay, panghabang buhay. Then you are a wiser person. Mga kaibigan, there will be that time sa iyong buhay na hindi mo maiintindihan kung bakit kailangan mo siyang pakawalan. You're going to fight for that person no matter what. And then you will realize na, siya na nga siguro. But up until that time, hindi pa dumarating, maybe it's safe to say na there's still a big, big room for you to grow and find your true happiness. It's not always with somebody else. You can always decide to be happy or be happier. Nonetheless, I'd like to play a song from Freestyle. Sana magustuhan ninyo. Ang pamansang team song ng mga beater. Woo! Daming nainis. Sabi, bad trip naman si Papa Jack. 832-6171 or 1-800-10-100-5683. Good evening, everyone. 32 after 10 o'clock. I am Papa Jack and here we go.
I can still remember yesterday. We were so in love in a special way. And knowing that you loved me made me feel so right. But now I feel lost, don't know what to do. Each and every day I think of you, holding back the tears I'm trying with all my might. Because you've gone and left me standing all alone. And I know I've got to face tomorrow on my own. But baby, before I let you go, I want to say I love you. I hope that you're listening, 'cause it's true, baby. You'll be forever in my heart, and I know that no one else will do, yeah. So before I let you go, I want to say, yeah, I love you. I wish that it could be just like before. I know I could have given you so much more, even though you know I've given you all my love. I miss your smile, I miss your kiss. Each and every day I reminisce. 'Cause baby, it's you that I'm always dreaming of. Because you've gone and left me standing all alone. And I know I've got to face tomorrow on my own. But baby, before I let you go, I want to say to say it. Letting love go is never easy, but I love you so, that's why I set you free. And I know someday, somehow, I'll find a way to leave it all behind me. Guess it wasn't meant to be, but baby, before I let you go, I want to say I love you. I hope that you're listening, 'cause it's true, baby. You'll be forever in my heart, and I know that no one else will do. Yeah. So before I let you go, I want to say it. So before I let you go, I want to say
Don't hold back anymore, because when you think all's lost, there's always the letter with your friend, Papa Jack. The letter. Sulat na.